Hey creators, hope all is well. My name is Ibrahim. I'm the co-founder of Taja AI. In this video, I'm going to give you a full in-depth tutorial of how to use Taja. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you'll be in your Taja dashboard. And let's say you just created a YouTube video and now you're trying to figure out your title, description, tags, all those different elements. All you do is you copy the link to the video. Please note that the video needs to be either unlisted or public for this to work. And what you do is you paste the link to the video here. Now, the other option of what you can do is upload a file. So we support Drive, Dropbox, Box, Facebook, OneDrive, and just upload directly from your laptop. Please note that this has to be 3 gigabytes or less in order to work. And so once you have your link in, all you do is you click Start. And now we'll go through the process of pulling the transcript of the video, understanding what it's about. We're also doing a deep dive into your channel audience, looking at historically what does your audience engage with. And then in a few minutes, we'll populate out the SEO of your video. And we'll take a look at our options that it came out with for our title, description, chapters, tags. Okay, so Taja's done. It takes about 2 minutes. So here we have our title of the video. We have our description along with the tags and chapters here. And then we also have our tags here. Each one's associated with a score. 60 or above is considered good. 50 to 59 is considered okay. And anything below that is not that good. So you are able to cover over, see the overall score, the search volume, and the competition score. If you want to add tags, you can do that here. If you want to make adjustments, you can do that here as well. The other thing too is you can make adjustments to the title. So once you do that and you click continue, everything will sync in accordance with the title. If you wanted more title options, these are down here. So Taja generates 5 titles for you. If you don't like any, you can simply just click on this regenerate button and we'll generate another set of 5. We'll have your description down here. Like I said, you can edit, and here are your tags. So you can edit these here as well. The transcription of the video is down here below. You are not able to edit this, but we just pull this to show you this is what we pulled in order to generate your output. Down here is going to be where you're able to generate thumbnails. So you're able to generate either fully AI generated thumbnails or thumbnails from your faces. So fully AI generated thumbnails are going to be an AI driven thumbnail. That's going to be a representation of what your thumbnail could look like. Or you could do a ad from your face, which what we'll do is we'll go through your video, extract emotional stills from your video, and overlay that on top of a background. Now, please note that this works best if you have a full screen talking head video. If you have like a presentation style where you're in the right corner, similar to this video, and you're presenting your screen, that won't work well. But if you have a full screen talking head video, this will work really well. So all you do is you click on that and then you click on generate, and it takes about a few minutes here, like 2 to 3, but we'll see what Taj is able to generate for us in terms of our thumbnails. Okay, so Taj is now done generating the thumbnails. And so as you can see, it pulled out faces, added a background, put the text over top. And so you are able to edit these. You can edit by just clicking on it. It will load in our generator. You can move the images around if you want. You can move the text around, edit the text via this bar. If you want to change the background color, you can do so here. If you wanted to add your own image, you can do that as well. Here's how you can change the text, etc. So different functionalities, and you are able to undo, save, or download the thumbnail. And once you are done with the thumbnail you want, you can just click on the go back button. And then what happens is we'll ask you if you want to save this thumbnail and sync it to YouTube. So what you need to do, so once you're good with everything here, all you do is you go up and you click on the Publish Now button. This will ask you to link your channel if you haven't, but then once you have, it'll ask you whether you want your video to be public, unlisted, or private on your YouTube studio. So you can just click on the unlisted, and then what will happen is we'll be able to automatically sync all your output. So the title, description, chapters, tags, thumbnail, all that will automatically sync to your YouTube studio so that you don't have to worry about copying and pasting everything over. So it takes a few seconds, but shortly here, I'll show you how the output was able to go all the way to your YouTube studio. Okay, so all I do now is it's synced. All I do is click on go to YouTube Studio. And as you see, the video is right here all ready for me. So that's how you are able to optimize your long form video. The next thing is, while this video is optimized, we are able to generate shorts. So shorts, clips, and text-based content is how we're able to generate and repurpose your video. So all that will be up here. So all you do is you click on, it's either going to say next step to generate, or if it's done, it'll say view repurposed content. So if I click on this, it'll take me through this route, but it'll take a few minutes for it to generate our shorts, clips, and text-based content. Okay, so it finished generating and it found 6 shorts for us. So I found shorts, 0 clips, and then text-based content. So I'll show you all that. So for the shorts, what it does is it zooms in on the speaker, creates the title, creates the captions, all that stuff. And then with each one, it gives you a title, description, tags, all that, and as well as a SEO score. This score is predicated on the context of the video. So what's being said in this segment, as well as is it a complete thought, as well as is what is being said in here something that people are searching for and trending. So if you are like, okay, I like this and I want to play it, but there's some things I want to edit, all you do is you click on this edit button. We'll open up the shorts editor. And here's where you can edit the captions. So you can edit the captions. If you don't want them, you can toggle them off. Here's where your title will be. So you can edit that here. If you don't want the title, the title will show up at the beginning. If you don't want that, you can toggle that off as well to remove. You can trim the video any way you want. And then if you are good with that, you can now move on to design. Design, you can pick where you want your logo. Later on, I'll show you how you're able to add your logo, whether you want them top right, top left. You can pick your template style. You can pick your color scheme, your size, where you want it, the positioning of where you want the captions, etc. And then we have B-roll. So you can auto-generate B-roll, and it'll appear down here. So I'll just do it for this sake. And then, so generated, you can auto generate, and then you can delete the B-roll however you'd like. So if you're like, okay, I don't like this, you can just exit here. And then if you want to add your own, you can just do that here. You can either source or add your own over here. Same thing with the images. And then once you're done, you can either download it, or if you make edits to the design or anything, once you click back here, this is how everything saves. So once you click back, it's gonna ask you if you want to save your template style. So if you're like, okay, I like this design, I want this for all my shorts, it'll ask you if you want to save, and then it'll save it for all of your future videos. So the existing shorts here that populated, and then all the future videos it did as well. If you're now good with everything, you can do one of two things. Click on the publish button, which will then render the video and then allow you to directly publish it to your different social media platforms. So all your social platforms will appear in this pop-up box that will come here as soon as the video is done rendering. And you can pick which platforms you want to post to. The other thing you can do is you can schedule the content. So if you want to schedule the content, you can just do that here, pick the date and time, platform, and then just schedule out the content. and then it'll appear in your content calendar. The next element is clips. So clips show up if the video is 40 minutes or greater. It'll generate a 2 to 10 minute snippet of the video. So the snippet will be a 16 by 9 video. So similar to like a YouTube long form video, it'll generate in that format, but it'll be soundbite content of your long form video. And you can post that to Facebook, or you can post that to Instagram. Or to YouTube, and it'll come up with the title, description, chapters, tags, all those different elements. Then the last part is text-based content. So over here, you can generate a blog post, a LinkedIn post, or a thread post. And if you want to schedule any, you can just click on the publish or schedule button, and then you'll be asked to either connect your accounts, or if you have already connect, you can just it'll just ask you if you want to just schedule it out or publish it directly to those platforms. So that's how you optimize and repurpose your long form video. Now, like I did say, you can schedule out your content. So in this case, I'm just going to schedule out this short. And so for here, I can pick the day and the time I want this to go out, and then pick the platform, and then all I do is I click on schedule. Now, if you want to see it appear, all you do is you click on your content calendar, and you'll see the post right there. If you want to make any edits to this, you can either click on it, click on the reschedule button, pick the day and time, or you can drag it to a different day that you'd like. You can drag it by clicking on the 3 dots down here. And then I can place it here. So that's how you are able to schedule the content, and you can do that for all your different platforms. Next, I'm going to show you the keyword research. So the next video generator, this is a feature we have where let's say you want help with coming up with what else should I talk about in your next video? What should my next video be? All you do is you click on this next video generator, and it'll open up. You select your channel, or you can search your own keywords. Once you select your channel, just hit search, and then we'll come up with keywords that are currently trending in your niche. So you can do one of two things. So you can click on the keyword that you like, and then we'll come up with outlier videos associated with that keyword. And then once you are like, okay, I want a remix of this video, what we'll do is we'll generate an inspirational thumbnail to be like, this is what your thumbnail could be. So we'll generate the keywords for you of what's trending and for your specific channel. And then right here, we'll generate a thumbnail for you that could be used as inspiration for your next video idea. So we'll just give it a few minutes here, but shortly it'll generate for us. So it generated the thumbnail for us right here. And so you are able to use this as inspiration for your next video. So that's a little on the next video idea generator. The other element is something called Backlog Boost. So Backlog Boost is a feature we have where once you add your channel, we'll be able to analyze your channel of all the existing videos that are out on it and recommend for you videos within your channel that have low SEO scores you should consider reviving. So all you do is you click on the Backlog Boost in your dashboard, then you click on your channel. And then what will happen is we'll open up the Backlog Boost page, which will have videos that we suggest that have low SEO scores. So in any of these elements, you can do one of two things. You can click on Revive Video, which we automatically take the link to that video. We know it, and you'll go through the same steps as optimizing the long form video. So once you click this, we'll automatically kick off everything to generate the title, description, chapters, tags, shorts, all those different elements. You can click that, or if you are like, I don't like this video, I want to revive another one, you can just click on the suggest new video feature, and then we'll find a new video from your channel. So we replace that video with another video that has a low SEO score that you should consider reviving. So that's how you are able to use Backlog Boost. And we'll also send you an email every Monday of what videos you should revive. So you're always constantly reminded, and we'll give you 1 free credit a week in order to revive a video. So that's the element of Backlog Boost. The next element I want to show you is our automations. So we have different automation features that streamline your workflow, allow you to push out content faster, as well as create content faster. So the first is called bulk auto schedule. So bulk auto schedule allows you to schedule all of your repurposed content with 1 click instead of always having to pick the short, pick the time and the day you want to schedule out that video, and then schedule it. We'll just handle it all for you by you just clicking on 1 button. So in order to do the bulk auto schedule, all you do is you go to your video and you go to your repurposed content, and it'll be right here at the top of all of this. It's called bulk auto schedule. So all you do is you click on that, all your shorts will appear, and you can just click on the shorts you want, click on continue. You'll be asked to select the platforms, and then you can just hit schedule, and we'll schedule out all your shorts for you, and they'll all appear on your content calendar. So that's one. The next automation feature we have is auto schedule. So if you like a short and you're like, I want to schedule this, what you can do is, instead of you picking the date and time for each short, you can just click on auto schedule, and we'll go through your specific channel and find the best time to post for that channel and post it for you on days where you don't have anything in your content calendar that's already going out. So all you do is you toggle this off, hit schedule, and then it'll appear in your content calendar over here. So those are the 2 ways you can schedule out content. Bulk auto schedule, which schedules out all your repurposed content in a quicker manner, or you can just auto schedule, which schedules out a specific repurposed piece of content in a quicker manner. The third automation tool or feature that we have is auto sync videos and auto kickoff. So auto kickoff is a way where, say you just uploaded a video to YouTube right here. So let's say I uploaded this. I don't have my title, my description, my tags, none of that. All you do is you upload the video and you go to here. You go to the playlist section, and we'll have something called put here Taja Magic Playlist section, which we create for you. I'll show you how to create it real shortly. But all you do is you click on this, you click done, and you save the video as unlisted. Make sure it's unlisted, because if it's not, it won't work. And then you just click save. Now what will happen is we will automatically note that this video is in the queue, and we'll do everything for you. So we'll generate the title, description, chapters, tags, shorts, clips, text-based content, all of that, and have it loaded in your YouTube studio down here. It'll just be in the recent video section. So it takes about 30 minutes to do. So once you set it to the Taja Magic playlist, which I'll show you how to enable that real shortly, all you do is you'll come back in 30 minutes, and we'll send you an email once it's done. But all you do is you go to recent videos, and the video will be here, and you just click on it, and you'll see all of your output, which then you can push out. Now that's how to use auto kickoff. Now, how to enable auto kickoff, what you're going to want to do is go to the channel section. So you'll be here in your dashboard, wherever the case may be, but you just go to channels. Go to channels, and then you're going to want to go to your channel. So boom. Click on your channel, and then right here, it'll say auto kickoff. You're going to want to enable this. And once you enable it, we automatically generate the Taja Magic playlist for you. So once you enable this, the Taja Magic playlist will show up in your playlist in your YouTube studio. You can set your video to this in your studio as unlisted, and then we'll do everything for you within 30 minutes. Now, the other automation feature that works hand in hand with auto kickoff is auto sync videos. So what this will do is, let's say you have auto sync videos on and auto kickoff on. Auto sync videos will automatically take all of the SEO output, so the title, description, chapters, tags, and put them in your YouTube studio for you. So all this will be in your YouTube studio, so that you don't have to transfer any of this over. It only does the SEO side. So it does the title, description, chapters, tags. And you do have to have auto kickoff enabled in order for auto sync videos to work. But you are able to enable it in your channel section, similar to auto kickoff. It's right next to it. And then, like I said, we'll transfer everything over to you. So it takes 30 minutes for auto kickoff to work. And then it takes up to 4 hours for auto sync videos to transfer everything to your YouTube studio and appear here. Again, it only transfers the SEO. So it'll be your title, description, chapters, tags, those elements. So those are how to use those. The last automation feature we have is weekly video ideas in your inbox. So what this will do is every week we will send you weekly emails of the keywords that are trending that show up in the next video generator that I showed you previously. So if you enable this, what this will allow you to do is set the day and time that you want these emails to come to you. So ideally you want this to be set on the day that you're thinking of your next video idea. So if you're like, okay, turn this on, and every Wednesday is when I think about my next idea, you want to set it to Wednesday AM to send you an email showing you what's trending in your niche and for your channel that will help you think about what your next video idea should be. So again, to enable this, just enable this, toggle this on. It'll take you to set the time, and then every whatever day that is, we'll send you an email letting you know what keywords are trending in your niche that will help you figure out what your next video idea should be. So those are the automation features. Now, the next feature I want to show you is your Teams feature. So Teams is a way where you can add members to your team. So in order to get that, you can just click on Teams. Currently, you can add up to 5 members depending on the plan you're on. But the first thing you do when you click Teams is you'll be asked to create the team name. And then whoever does this will be the account owner. So ideally, you want the person that is the owner of the account, of the Taja account, to do this. So they'll create the team. And then all you do is you invite members. And once you do that, it'll create this link. So all you do is you copy this link and you email it or text it, whatever the case may be, to each member. And then they'll sign up using that link. And then they'll be added onto your team. And then once they're added on, you can manage them by deleting them or adding other members. And each team member will share the credits that you have on your account. So if you're on the unlimited plan, each team member will have the same number of credits that you have. So that's how to add teams. The other thing I want to show you is how to add and delete channels. So in order to do that, you just want to click on your channel. One thing to know before I get into this is one way you can add a channel is by automatically putting the link into a video. So if you put in a link to your channel, we'll automatically add that channel in the background, and then you'll be asked to link it. The other way is you can just click on channels, you click add channel, and then channel is automatically added when you optimize a video. So then it'll take you to the optimized video page to put the link to your channel in. Now, if you want to delete a channel, if you're like, this channel is not mine, I want to delete it. All you do is you click on analyze to whatever channel you want to delete. And then what you're going to do is click on the 3 dots down here. It'll ask you if you want to link your channel or delete it. All you do is you click the delete channel. And when you delete the channel, all the associated videos with that channel in your Taja dashboard will be deleted. Meaning if you've optimized 10 videos in your Taja dashboard with this channel, all those videos will be deleted. It won't affect your YouTube studio or anything in YouTube. It'll just affect what's in Taja. So you just click on delete channel, and then the channel's been deleted. So that's how you add and delete channel. The other thing that we have is something called growth stats. So growth stats is a easy to digest performance report of your YouTube video 72 hours after you've optimized and published that video. So in order to see this, you'll get an email about this once it's ready, but it'll say, but within your Taja dashboard, you can just go down to your recent videos, and then it'll say growth stats ready at the top right of each one. All you do is you click on it, and it'll take a few seconds, but it'll generate this easy to digest report for us to review. So just give it a few seconds here, and the report will generate. So here it is. It has basically our trend line of how our video is performing on a day in, day out basis. It'll have the ranking of where it is associated with the other videos that you've generated. And then we have a performance report here. So this is based on YouTube best practices, but we'll show you how you're doing view-wise, average percentage viewed, likes, dislikes, comments, and then we'll give you tips. And then here are the best practices down here. So that's a little on the growth stat side of things. And then the final elements of Taja that I wanted to show you are just the final 3 things, which we have a referral program. So if you want to be an affiliate and you like Taja and want to share it with your friends or colleagues that may benefit, all you do is you click on the invite customers link. You'll be able to open the portal, sign up for an account, and you'll get a custom link, which you can then share with your friends and colleagues to sign up through you, in which you earn commission. Now, the commission that we pay out is 50% lifetime. So say you bring your friend and they sign up through you, you'll get 50% lifetime monthly commission for as long as they're a customer of ours. And we pay you out net 30 days through PayPal. The other elements we have are, if you wanted to be featured on our website and you want to leave a review, you can just do that here, and we'll be able to feature you on our website under the Wall of Love section. And then the final part we have is roadmap. So our roadmap is open-ended. We always welcome feature suggestions, but in this case, here's where you can add suggestions. So if you're using the tool and you're like, I have this idea of a feature that they should build out, whatever the case may be, you can just create this post, add your feedback of what that feature should be. People can vote on it. And we'll be able to take a look at this and see kind of what people are prioritizing, want us to build, and we'll be able to prioritize that on our roadmap to build that out for you. So we always welcome your feedbacks. We'd very much appreciate it. So that is in full context how you are able to use Taja. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Or if you have any feature requests, we always welcome feature requests. You can either put in the roadmap or hit me up via support or email, and we'll get back to you ASAP. But that is how you're able to use Taja. We hope that this video was helpful and helps you get a full understanding of how to use the product to its fullest potential. If you have any questions, like I said, don't hesitate to reach out to me. And we hope that this tool helps streamline your workflow, saves you time, and maximizes your reach. Thank you so much for watching.